Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your Cash App card not unlocking and you want to be able to fix that specific error or that specific issue? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself, when I had Cash App before, I had the exact same problem. And the response I got, at least from the support itself, 9 out of 10 times the reason why you're not able to unlock your Cash App card is because you haven't yet actually verified your identity on Cash App. So to be able to do so, just go into your Cash app itself and then just find where it says like verify your identity, or you can also click where it says unlock your Cash App card. And then if you're not able to unlock it, it should take you to verify your identity page. But if you for some reason are still not able to find it, go into Cash App as you can see. So just go into Cash App on your browser, basically click on the three lines in the top right corner, scroll down in here and then click on support as you can see. And then you should be taken to this page. It's just going to load here and then basically it's going to tell you to log in. You can also click on use email if you don't have access to your phone number right now. Click on your email address, click on continue. It's going to probably ask for your password for your Cash App and then you're going to talk with the support and then ask them to help you with the verification process. And then when you have verified your identity, most likely this will be able to fix this problem for you, just so you know, because as I said before, 9 out of 10 times it seems to be that you haven't yet verified your identity, and that seems to be the reason why we're not able to basically unlock our Cash App card. Maybe it's another reason as well, obviously, but 9 out of 10 times it seems to be the identification issue, just so you know.